Hello everyone, we are Mihaela and Corina from Atelier Mico, and today we're excited to share a special commission made using our signature 3D wall art technique. We're creating a set of 3 minimalist 3D paintings, each with a height of 45 centimeters and varying lengths going up to 200 centimeters. These pieces will be sculptural, elegant, and entirely hand-modeled, designed to blend simplicity with a bold visual presence. For this, we're going to need polymeric board 3 mm thickness, custom wooden frame with solid beams, thin wood board 3 mm for the back, corner metal brackets, screws, strong adhesive, heat gun, heat-resistant gloves, drill, saw for cutting wood, and spray paint. For the paint we used Montana Collection, a primer for plastic and color warm matte white, and then we used a varnish for the final finish. Before starting the modeling process, we built the custom frames using solid wood beams, carefully cut and assembled with screws. At each corner we add metal angle brackets to ensure strong rigid joints. We then fix a thin wood board on top of the beam structure using screws. This creates a flat and solid backing for the polymeric artwork. We start with the polymeric board. After removing the plastic protection, we determine the front side, which must remain clean during the modeling. Using a heat gun held at 10-15 cm distance, we heat the polymeric sheet until it becomes flexible, similar to cardboard. We then manually blend and shape it into the desired sculptural folds. It's essential to heat the material slowly and evenly using linear hand moves to avoid cracks. Once shaped, the material is held in position for a few minutes until it hardens again. If glove marks remain, they can be gently removed by reheating. The design is flexible. You can go for soft waves, sharp folds, or custom curves depending on your artistic vision. After finishing the modeling of the polymeric board, we attach it directly onto the wooden structure using a special adhesive designed for bonding plastic to wood. This adhesive is applied strategically only on the contact areas to ensure a strong bond without excess. We place the artwork carefully and apply even pressure to allow the glue to cure properly. Once the structure is complete and the adhesive has fully set, we move on to the painting. We begin with a layer of Montana primer for plastics, which gives a warm and textured base. This is followed by several layers of Montana spray paint, warm matte white, applied using smooth linear motions from a distance of 7-10 centimeters. We applied multiple thin coats to ensure a clean, even surface. You might notice in this part of the video that we are not fully covered while using the spray paint. That short segment was filmed during the initial light spray test, just to check the color and coverage. Right after that, we changed into full protective gear, including a gas mask, protective goggles, gloves, and full coverage clothing to continue the process safely. We always prioritize safety when working with spray paints, especially when applying multiple layers. Thank you for understanding, and please make sure to use proper protection if you're trying this technique yourself. Finally, after fully dried, we apply a matte varnish to protect the paint and preserve the minimalist sculpture finish. The result is a series of bold, elegant 3D wall pieces that highlight texture, shadow, and form. Thank you for following along. If you are interested in custom work or want to learn more, feel free to reach out or explore more of our projects. See you soon!